If you're comparing NetReputation versus ReputationDefender versus ReputationZilla, you're overpaying by thousands, and here's the real cost breakdown. Here's the problem: most comparison sites hide the real numbers. NetReputation charges $3,000 to $10,000 per month for basic review management services in 2026. ReputationDefender starts at $2,500 to $8,000 monthly with 6-month minimum contracts required. A business owner Googles their company name and finds 12 fake 1-star reviews, destroying their credibility. Within 3 weeks their lead flow drops 40%. They call NetReputation, get quoted $7,500 per month for 6 months. They call ReputationDefender, same story, $6,000 monthly, 6-month lock. They ask if there's a better option. There is. Quick disclosure: I run ReputationZilla, so I'll give you the honest breakdown of all three, including ours. ReputationZilla handles Google Maps disputes, TripAdvisor management, Yelp disputes, and social media growth at a fraction of those prices. Number 6-month trap. You dispute policy violating reviews across major platforms without the $45,000 upfront commitment. Most people fail here. They pick the biggest brand name thinking expensive equals better. NetReputation and ReputationDefender both require 6-month contracts. That's $18,000 to $60,000 paid upfront before you see a single review removed. Do not do this. Most businesses don't need 6 months of ongoing service. They need 30 to 45 days of focused dispute work, then maintenance as needed. NetReputation's pricing in 2026 ranges from $3,000 for basic monitoring to $10,000 monthly for full reputation suppression. Their contracts lock you in for 6 months minimum. That's $18,000 to $60,000 total spend. They handle Google, Yelp, and social content removal, but you're paying enterprise rates even if you're a solo business owner. ReputationDefender charges $2,500 to $8,000 per month with the same 6-month minimum. This is important: their pricing includes content removal and monitoring, but the contract structure forces you to pay $15,000 to $48,000 regardless of how fast your issue resolves. If your reviews get removed in week 3, you still owe 5 more months. Here's the problem: Path A is signing a 6-month contract with NetReputation or ReputationDefender, paying $18,000 to $60,000, and hoping they deliver. Path B is using ReputationZilla's flexible model: you pay per platform dispute, number 6-month lock, and focus budget only where you need it. ReputationZilla covers Google Maps, TripAdvisor, Yelp, and social growth without forcing you into a $45,000 commitment. Here's the exact wording to use when comparing quotes. Call each company and ask, "What's your minimum contract length, and can I cancel after 90 days if my reviews are resolved?" NetReputation and ReputationDefender will say no. Then ask, "What's the cost breakdown per platform, and do you charge separately for Google Maps versus Yelp versus TripAdvisor?" Most won't itemize it. ReputationZilla does. Visit ReputationZilla's site, fill the dispute form, and you'll get a per-platform quote in 24 hours. No sales pressure. Number 6-month trap. You dispute what violates policy, track removal in real time, and scale up or down as needed. What's your minimum contract length, and can I cancel after 90 days if my reviews are resolved? NetReputation costs $3,000 to $10,000 monthly, 6-month minimum. ReputationDefender costs $2,500 to $8,000 monthly, same lock. ReputationZilla disputes per platform, number 6-month trap.
Smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for your dispute quote today. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.